Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. So as some of you may know, in the beginning of the year, we picked up a Hyabusa. Now this thing is, I was gonna say entry level, but this is a super bike. It's 1300 cc. It can go max speed in first gear. Very dangerous. And also very heavy. So for a small guy like me, not a practical bike to be riding around in, even on occasion. So I put it on the marketplace recently and I got this insanely crazy, well actually I'm the one that offered, but the owner of the car that I offered the Hyabusa for agreed, and we took a look at it yesterday. All right, we are here on the opposite side of the city in the southwest, and we're here to take a look at the car that we are gonna be trading the super bike for, our Hyabusa. And the guy says, come around back, the garage should be open. Ooh, perfect song. Ooh. I see it. I already see it. Damn. So Roger.
Yeah. Randy.
Awesome, Randy. This is a brand new 2020 Supra. Yeah. Have you seen one yet?
No. Yeah, I'm
awesome.
a Toyota guy too. Actually, I just sold a 2000 Toyota Celica.
Yeah. Oh, sweet.
I rebuilt the engine.
Yeah, yeah.
My mom owned the car from original.
Yeah.
And then I had it. Rebuilt everything on that car.
Yeah. Are you okay if I take a few photos of this on my GoPro? This is really sick, dude. Yeah, so actually, I have a fair amount of questions.
Okay.
So, I mean, like, for sure, I'm down to do the trade.
Yeah.
And the bike's totally yours. I got the pink slip and everything. But for me to get this running, like, I just need a small list, and I'm probably gonna be ending up asking you questions and stuff.
Okay.
Because I want to get this right, too.
Always available to help out.
Awesome, dude.
Sure.
Yeah, perfect. Was it meant for, like, a drag race RC?
Drag race and drift.
Drift and everything?
Oh, for sure. In first gear, this car will go about 130 kilometers an hour with the transmission it has.
Oh, damn. Yeah, the Chevy 350. Yeah. I'm super new to this, by the way.
This has been a project ongoing for 13 years
So
between
clean.
me and my group of friends.
Yeah.
So this is probably...
Man, this is so pretty.
So I'm more of like a kind of body guy and mechanical guy. So basically the engine was all designed by a heavy duty mechanic. Looking at everything, we got the Holley Carb Slayer carburetor. Everything is Edelbrock. It's all souped up. Every part here is high performance. So inside this engine, all aftermarket parts.
May I take a look inside?
So basically the interior's been stripped.
Yeah, for sure.
And that saved 900 pounds. The wire harness was, the fuel lines need to be run to it. The brake lines need to be run. All new brakes. I have the fittings ready for the hoses to be run. The big job that's not that bad is it needs a drive shaft.
Right.
So all of these parts in this car are the same as the Chevy C10 pickup from 86.
Good
so
to
this
know.
engine is actually 86. How the engine was actually mounted, if you actually take out the two bolts right here, like this bolt and that bolt, you can take off this air intake, get an air intake adapter. The whole engine and the transmission come out with 4 bolts. Because it's actually mounted a little lower back than usual, you would still need a rad fan and some of that, obviously. But you would actually cut that drive shaft and weld the plates on for the diff. So the real color of the car is sunrise red. Yeah. We have all that color in 2020 technology paint right there.
Wow,
this car is those two mashed together.
Exactly, yeah. These are the 2 manuals that you're gonna need.
This has been good meeting you.
Oh, you too, man. Pleasure. Yeah, we'll do that. But we'll keep in touch, and most likely it's... Oh, this thing's so pretty. Damn. All right, Roger, we'll see you later, bro. Thank you. Have a good night. Perfect. We'll see that thing tomorrow. Dang. So Roger is super chill, nice dude. Actually put the FC on a trailer and he's on his way right now to drop it off. And yeah, we're gonna be doing the trade today. Yeah, we're gonna have another car in the garage. And this one actually doesn't run. There's gonna be a lot of work to do on this thing just to get it on the streets and running. But that's okay. What's up, homie? Woohoo! Okay, what's up? I gotcha. Yeah. We're gonna quickly fill out the paperwork, make this super smooth transaction. And so. Good enough. Can't forget the pink slip. This is for the Hyabusa. Not gonna be needing that no more. Okay, dude, you gotta come down. Woohoo! Oh. quickly test to see if this turns on. That's all. Turns on. And I'm giving the guy 2 keys. We're gonna quickly wipe this down and make it look pretty. But yeah, the plan was for the guy to actually drive it home. I mean, he can if he has a plate, but they have a trailer, so they're just gonna trail it back. It's a beautiful bike. Believe it or not, this thing's 500 pounds. I've already like almost fractured my wrist trying to carry its entire weight. So definitely not the bike for me. Yeah. It's here, guys. Oh, looks so pretty.
Just for the sensors and all the wires, how to do it.
So tonight we can put in the VRZ.
Nice. This guy knows his angles. Crazy kids. God damn. Did it.
We did it!
Whatever works. Yeah. Okay.
Using the drivetrain. So it's because I took them apart, the grease was really muddy.
Could put that in online. Some people say it will handle the power, some people say it won't.
Yeah, he told me I might
So-
need to look for something.
I would just get the diff service.
Convert.
Like, you're not gonna go drag racing with this right away. The one thing is the transmission is really robust. Like the ATH,
TH350.
TH350.
Turbo Hydromatic 350.
And what kind of truck would that transmission typically be in?
A half-ton Chevy truck, a Camaro, Corvette.
Roger hooked us up with so many parts for this thing. It's all stuffed in the back. Oh, look too. An authentic RX7 repair manual. Wait, yeah, took like 2 seconds.
What's that way?
It actually looks so nice in the sunlight. All right, guys. What have we done? He's basically prepped this thing for its next stage, and we are the 5th owners. So we got to do this justice. And then I'll also take this as my opportunity to really learn up on how to get a car running when it's at this stage. Because you guys saw what it was like underneath. It's missing a whole bunch of stuff. But we'll take a look at what's inside these boxes. I don't even know where we're gonna start. CJ actually has his own YouTube channel, and it's called Fricked Garage.
Frick's Garage,
spelled-
F-R-I-K-T.
And it's more American muscle, right?
Yeah.
Well, that's a whole different realm, so.
And I'm far from a professional, but
Dude, none of us here are, man. It's all like forums, DIYs, and tutorials off YouTube, and whatever works, right? So, gotta be resourceful with what you got. Well, I appreciate you guys for dropping it off, man. Thank you so much.
Thanks a lot.
Yeah,
Great
thank
dealing
you.
with
yeah, if you need a hand with the car at all.
We definitely will, man. I'm gonna contact you if we have questions right away. Have a good one, guys. And there goes that. We got a new build. What are we doing with this thing? The plan is to just, first of all, see what Roger gave us in all of the boxes and what's inside the RX-7. Lay that out on the floor, basically like a puzzle, and then we'll go from there. I'm just gonna put it up on the dollies for now. Hey, little doggy.
Sorry, Brady.
Slowly. Alright, let's see what we got. See, Cars is like Lego for grown-ups, and if you have one of these, a repair manual, it's like game facts for gamers. You follow the guide, and you'll do just fine. I think this is actually going to be the same exact red we're going to paint the rest of the body. Came with racing seats, but obviously not attached. So Roger was kind enough to give us a breakdown on exactly what this needed to be able to run. But, I mean, I'm so new to this, man. Like, this is gonna be probably one of the more elaborate projects we've taken up on this channel. So it's gonna be a huge learning experience for everybody. We'll take you to the trunk. As you can see, there's a fuel cell. So this FC is pretty much prepped for drag or drift. It's gutted, but tastefully. So you got the red door cards to match the theme of the car. And actually all the fuel lines and hoses that you're gonna need are in this box. Except, I don't know how to put this thing together, but that's what YouTube tutorials and forums are for. And friends, of course. So yeah. Yo, what's up? Yo, thanks, man. Oh, more stickers.
Is this your car?
Yeah.
This is the, I thought you got an FD.
That too.
Bro, you fucking crazy. I didn't know this thing was yours.
I traded the Hyabusa earlier for it.
Cut out the hood or?
Yeah, that's the plan. I don't know what I'm getting myself into, man.
Dunzo, that's it.
That's it. We're done. Call it a night. Let's see the goodies in this box. What is this? Oh shit, it actually came with the CV axles. Also, we got the differential right here, which means I can actually put the rear suspension together. That's something we can install once we get the axles. Oh, my back! As you can see, empty, but very clean. Oh, this actually came with fogs, what? Cool. Yeah, man. This guy gave us everything. It's just I don't know what I'm looking at. Power steering pump. More things here. Oh yeah, he hooked us up with a brand new paint gun and all of the paint material we're gonna need to fully paint this car. Because right now, I think it only needs one more round of light sanding, maybe with like a finer grit. And I do plan on trying to paint this ourselves in this garage. I don't know how we're gonna do it. May do it like Eliminate style and order one of those inflatable paint booths. But according to Randy, it's kind of a hassle, so maybe not. Or we can do it Robbie style and make our own makeshift paint booth using 2x4s and plastic. Or just really make it easy for ourselves and hand this car off to Josh with the paint materials. Because time is so valuable and I'm not a car painter. But yeah, Roger, thank you. This is sick, dude. The pedals, the OEM liners. Nice, I think that's what goes on here and stuff. Let's take you inside the car. You know, this door shuts really nicely too. Okay. Minus the seat. Check this thing out. Like what? That's pretty rad, dude. Yeah, nothing is attached. And that's what the back looks like. Just a spare wheel. All right. Whew. This is gonna be a project and a half, but we asked for this life. And I think it's one of those things where you just keep repeating it in your head, and it's known that YouTubers are kind of like meant to own a lot of cars, but I never saw myself owning this many cars. I have too many cars and too many works in progress, if you will. But that's what you gotta do in this lax life. Go on adventures, whether it be hiking in the mountains or diving into car projects that you know little about. Just gotta get out there, gotta take a dive in the deep end. This is my deep end. Becoming a YouTuber was my deep end. So I don't know what else to say really. I think I'm just gonna end this video and for the rest of the night, go home, do some research on the forums, see if there's any like builds like this that I can get more info from. And yeah, really try to figure out how to put a car together from scratch because right now it's prepped. It just needs to be put back together. Lots to look forward to from this channel. I appreciate you guys for taking the time out of your day to watch this video. And if you want to get updated on when new videos come out, hit the sub button with the notification button ticked, drop some likes, leave some good vibes in the comments, and we'll catch you guys next time. Peace.